he will not get fish today. So much of water gone in trail as well. Trees are breaking, falling down. Never saw so much of flood.
Lizard.
Lizard gone.